Finger where?
In the middle.
In my ear to get some earwax. And then I put my finger in the middle of that petri dish, and what happened? The pepper all went to the outside. Why? Yeah, I had my earwax and your earwax is amphiphilic, and it actually spreads out on the surface. It's got a polar part, a non-polar part. It spreads out on the surface. It pushed that pepper to the side. What I'm going to do here, I've got water. Most of what I've got up here is water, and then a very small amount relative to the water of diethyl ether, which is flammable. These two compounds are immiscible in each other, meaning that they will form two layers if I was to mix them together. However, there is a small solubility. They are only slightly miscible, meaning a little bit of ether will go into water if you use a small enough amount of ether. If I tried to do a one-to-one mixture, I would have two different layers. But here, actually let me get that cap back. If I have a small enough amount of ether in here, and I mix this fairly thoroughly, let's give it a minute or so here, I can make it so at least for a short period of time, it doesn't separate out. But they're still fairly immiscible in each other. I'm going to open this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this into this baking dish here that, don't tell my wife that I took it from her kitchen. I'm going to pour this into this baking dish. The ether is volatile. It's going to come to the surface slowly. I'm going to light that ether as it comes off here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick both fingers in both ears this time. Get a good amount of earwax. I didn't Q-tip this morning, but I think it would still work if I did. And I'm going to stick my fingers in both sides. We're going to make a monolayer, which is essentially going to cover the surface and hopefully put out the fire.
Wow.
Hopefully, yeah. Wait till we do it before you say wow. We've got 30 seconds left till the end of class, so hopefully this will work well. The doors are back there, by the way. Okay, are we ready? All right, I'm going to shake this up, make sure it's nice and well mixed. Pour this in here. Brian, are you ready, just in case? I won't need you, but just in case. Now this won't even light unless I clean this really well, so we'll see how well I clean this at first. All right, so I've got my ether and water here. Okay, it does light. That's good. You don't need it, it's okay. All right, now I'm going to get some earwax, and I can't hear what you're saying, so if you want to say anything about me right now is the time. So now, hopefully I've got a little bit of wax on each one. This is the hardest part when you first start. I'm going to try to stick my fingers in here. And I'm forming a monolayer coming from both sides, surrounding that fire, and putting it out. All right. Have a great day.